Okay, so before we leave the Sky House, I just want you to see a little bit of the first floor, and I just happen to like the concierge. I think it's cool. So they got a 24/7, right, concierge? Yeah, and he just was a great help to me, so kudos. There's packages that you sign for. Someone just signed for some packages down there, so that's all good. So this is the first floor. There's the leasing center right there. And then that leads to the elevators. I did want to dip in here just real quick though. They call this the library, but it's a library of coffee is really what it is. There's 2 Macs here, but the key thing is free coffee ready to go. So you can grab and go. You just wait about a minute or so for it to cook, and it's all in those bags ready to go. So coffee is always good. So anyway, this is just the vibe of the first floor and what it looks like and what you can expect. We're gonna see also. We're gonna see some of the outer. We're gonna flip this a little bit. The way we usually do is we take outer shots first so you can see the neighborhood, but you're about to see the neighborhood also right now.